Meditation develops mindfulness and attention span, allowing you to stay focused longer. Your children need meditation to thrive in all aspects of their lives. Welcome to Chelis Bookazine's YouTube channel. It is time to share fun techniques to help your children find their inner calm through meditation. Let's get started with fun meditation techniques specially designed for children, especially for children living in a hustling and bustling city like Lagos. Technique 1. Sound of the city meditation. Lagos is known for its vibrant sounds. Encourage your children to close their eyes and listen to the sounds around them. Let them identify the different noises and focus on their breathing. Train them to find calm in the midst of noise. Technique 2. Nature connection. Even in the heart of major cities like Lagos, there is nature to be found. Take your children for a walk in a local park or garden. Encourage them to touch leaves, feel the grass, and connect with nature. Technique 3. African animal breathing. Introduce fun and educational breathing exercises to your children. For instance, pretend to be a lion and take deep, rowing breaths, or a snake and practice hissing exhale. Try it out with your children. It's going to be a fun and exciting practice. Technique 4. African drumming meditation. Use traditional African drums or any percussion instruments, such as the flute or trumpet, to create rhythmic, calming sounds. You can enroll your children in music classes where they can learn how to play several musical instruments. Let your child join in, drumming and playing to their own heartbeat. Technique 5. Nigerian storytelling meditation. In the solemn night time, share captivating and soothing Nigerian folktales with your children. As they listen, instruct them to close their eyes, imagine the story, and let the characters guide them to a place of calm. These meditation techniques may help your children reduce stress after schoolwork, improve their memories for academic activities, increase their attention span at school and at home, or enhance their willpower to complete tasks, and have better sleep. Feel free to share your own meditation techniques in the comments. To enjoy more of this great content, please like this video, subscribe to Chelis Bookazine's YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell. Keep buying your books from Chelis Bookazine. Until next time, bye.